video, we're going to take a quick look at the total reach calculator. So let's head over to the Discover tab. Take a look at the database. Now you see at the bottom of the screen here, it says 0 selected influencers. So as soon as we start clicking the checkboxes next to influencers, you'll see it will start adding them to the total reach calculator. So the more I add, the more the total reach increases. As you can see here on the right hand side, there is a list. I can remove individual, thus removing them from their number from the total reach, or I can remove all and begin to make a brand new selection of influencers with a different total reach.